Are you just sick of the grind? Or are you tired of make money online gurus telling you to sacrifice your sleep, your family, your sanity, all in the name of consistency? No one needs to hear this, but I'm here to tell you today that consistency doesn't make you money online. Instead, strategies can make you money online. Setting realistic goals can make you money online. And leveraging on artificial intelligence can also help. Now, most people or a lot of people, when you tell them that you're making money online, all they can think about is you chained onto a laptop 24/7. You don't sleep, you don't do anything. In fact, in some other parts of the world, if you say you are making money online, some people will call you Yahoo Boy. So, this morning, we want to talk about realistic ways, beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2025. But first things first, let's have a quick look at passive income. Now, passive income is not making money for doing nothing. This is where a lot of us get it wrong. For the fact that it is called passive, it doesn't mean no action at all. Passive income is money you can earn with minimal effort. You can earn this money daily, you can earn in the morning, you can earn even while you're sleeping or while you vacation with your family. The good thing with passive income, you make the most investment once setting it up in the first place. For example, when I set up my YouTube channel and I was trying to get it monetized, those are the efforts. Now I put in daily effort to make sure I stay monetized. So what do? I create videos every day. Now I make passive income on YouTube, but that is not without giving out value. Now this brings us to value. Making money online or having multiple income streams or passive income streams, it requires giving out value. So if you want to make money online, you should be ready to share your knowledge. You should be ready to tell people what you know. You should be ready to open up to people. The whole point behind having passive income streams is building assets that work for you, assets that would make money for you. So, your passive income streams, they have a great difference from your active side hustles like freelancing. That's hands-on hustling. Now, with passive income, you put in most of the effort at the beginning and ongoing, you make money from this stream. But to even make sure you're making more money from this stream, you want to maintain your passive income stream. Now, let me give you an example. I have my books published on Amazon, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, those are my digital assets. I have published most of them in 2024. Now we are in 2025 and I still make money from these books. Now, I wouldn't just fold my arms because I'm making money from my books already. To even make my passive income from my books even go higher, do you know what I do? Every week, I try to do some marketing. I push my books on my social media channels. I do my one-to-one marketing. And for books that I need to correct, I correct them. For books that I need to pull out of the market, I discontinue making them. So this way, I am maintaining my passive income stream. I make money from Amazon KDP every month. Now, with your active hustling, like freelancing, you'll be constantly doing things for people and you get paid for it. But that's not what we're going to talk about in today's business. Side hustles for lazy people, especially passive income stream. Now, if you don't want to be in the active hustling scene, then this video is for you and I am your girl. For about 12 months, I was trapped in a cycle. I was trading my hours for some dollars. I was not making £5 an hour. When I was a care worker, on some days, I even make up to £14 an hour. But ever since I decided to chase unconventional passive income streams, it was a dilemma. And I was exchanging long hours, I was exchanging my sleep, my sanity for some $2-3 daily. Now, this is where I told myself, Blessing, you need a strategy. Getting more ideas does not guarantee you more money, but actually leveraging on the assets you already have. So, Some few months down the line, I decided to sit down and have a rethink. What am I doing correctly or what am I doing wrong? Our first business idea is hyper niche affiliate marketing. You probably have heard about affiliate marketing. You share or you promote other people's products and you get paid for it. Some of the popular affiliate marketing companies include Amazon Associate, we have ClickBank, Share a Sale, ConvertKit, Fiverr, Beehive, Sparkloop, Temu Affiliate, Shein Affiliates. Now, these are all beginner-friendly affiliate companies. Now, why I said hyper niche affiliate marketing. When I first started my affiliate marketing gigs, I was doing it all wrong. I started a blog which I tried to affiliate market everything possible, but that is wrong. If you want to go into affiliate marketing, you are better off niching down. So pick one or two niches that you are strong at. If you're selling or marketing 10 different links every day, in over 10 different industries, then people would think you don't know what you are doing. You want to niche down if you're going to go into affiliate marketing. And speaking of affiliate marketing, if you would love to join Temu Affiliate, please, my link is in the description below. And remember to read the terms and conditions when you get there. And once you sign up on Temu, don't let it slip, don't let it get cold. You need to hit the ball rolling. Start sharing your links with people. You don't have to sell products to make money on Temu. You can make money by sharing your affiliate links. You can make money by sharing products you love on Temu. You can also make money by inviting other affiliates. You can make money by asking people to download the Temu app. Remember to tell those people downloading they need to leave the app on for 60 days so that Temu would have paid you your money. If people download the app and delete it again, you might not get your money from Temu. I have this experience personally. I'll see on my dashboard that remaining 22 days, and once the person deleted the app, then the money is gone. So, how to set up your affiliate marketing gig? The number one thing you want to do is to select your niche, as we already said. Most of the work is all about strategy. What is your strategy? What are you passionate about? What are your strengths? Don't just start a blog. You can start a blog for moms over 40 working from home. Don't just start a YouTube channel. You could start a tech channel or a history channel for blah blah blah. So you want to niche down. Trust me, if you niche down, you can get through to people. But when you are doing so many things at once, it is difficult to convince people that you are a master of even one of those things. Once you have a niche, you need a platform. And from my experience, I would advise your number one platform is YouTube, because it connects you to people or viewers from all over the world. You can also try TikTok, but for the sake of this video, you want to set up a YouTube channel. This is where you're going to market your affiliate links. Gone are the days where you can just post your affiliate links on social media or just put them in your comment section and people will just start subscribing. It is different now. People want to see how you have used this product. If it is just affiliate links you're sharing, people want to see that you have made money from these affiliate marketing companies. So this is where your receipts are important. You want to show them what you're earning in your bank. Even if it is £10, it is better to be able to show something than for you to say you are making £100,000 every month but you can't show us anything. So, like we said, you need a platform. Again, don't forget to niche down. Niche down and you will grow faster. So you can start by solving some popular affiliate marketing questions. If you don't know how to start this channel, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT and VidIQ AI, and trust me, you will come up with a YouTube channel. Now, for your call to actions, you want to also encourage viewers to sign up through you. So, think of every video or every article as a tiny salesperson. If you are creating a video or you're writing an article, you want to put in your best, because that is what sells you in affiliate marketing. Now, we don't want that kind of affiliate marketing companies where we're inviting people for parties, spend money, give them food, then start begging them to sign up. No, you want to command respect. How do you command respect? By giving value and creating content that actually solves real problems. Now, let us move to the second business idea: selling micro digital products. Micro digital products are those easy digital products that you can sell. Micro means small. Now, this could be 60 pages handbook or 100-page handbook. It could be some chat GPT prompt for beginners. It could be coloring book. It could be activity book. So these are micro digital products. Guys, as you're watching this video and you don't know what I'm talking about, you can just quickly type Canva in your Google browser. You can check for digital product templates there. Even on the Canva free plan, trust me, you will get digital products that you can let your creativity run wild on. Edit this product, customize this template, and give them for free to your friends, to your neighbors, to your family, and tell them to review you objectively. And this is how you start building your confidence. Now, when you start selling those digital products, you can also market them on your YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. That is why you have all those social media channels. Now, if you don't have social media channels, then it is time to start building. The most difficult part of it is the initial setup, coming up with those ideas. Now, if you don't know how to come up with your ideas, again, you can go to Google Trends, or you can even use Chat GPT or use DeepSeek AI to create your digital product. Now, ask Chat GPT. Tell Chat GPT where you live, what you do, and you will love to start making money quick. What digital product can you sell? Honestly, Chat GPT can help you develop a PDF. Now take this PDF over to Canva and edit it there. And trust me, you have your first digital product. Like I said, you can give to your family and your friends for free so they can give you reviews. Now, a lot of customers will not buy from you if you don't have reviews.